Let's change it up. Let's come to a low runner's lunge this way. In this case, my left knee is up, my right knee is down. Right hand to the ground, like a push-up, right on the inner arch of that left foot. You can use a fist if you need to. Now some people have asked, well, can we use blocks? You can. You can put a block under your hand. That'll give you a little extra lift, and that will help you with the twist. Push into the ground, left hand to left waist, rotate the ribs. But the goal with any of these props, whether it's a block, a wall, or a chair, is to eventually wean yourself off of them. Eventually, I will do half moon pose without the block. Right now, I need it because that's where I am in my practice. You may have been able to do half moon without a block. That's awesome. Try to use the blocks as needed with the idea that you're going to wean yourself off of them. All of the tools, the yoga props. So in this case, with or without a block under your hand, push through your right hand and turn your ribs to your left. Your left hand is pulling your hips down, so you create space. Inhale, turn. Now if you can, tuck your toes under, keep your hips low, and straighten that rear leg. We have the high runner's lunge with a twist. Maybe straighten your front leg. We're almost to revolved triangle. And then maybe straighten your top arm and breathe. It's okay to back down, go down a step, go back a step. It's all good. Find where you can hang out and breathe for 3, 2, 1. Gently unwind, and we'll switch sides. I'm going to go to the other side of the mat so I can keep facing you. And let's do revolved triangle the same way, opposite side. Left hand to the ground or on the block, with the hope that we'll eventually stop using the block. Right hand to top waist. Inhale, get long. Exhale, turn towards your right thigh. Tuck your toes under. Keep your hips low and straighten the rear leg. Try not to let your hips pop up and down as you're setting yourself up for each stage of the pose. From here, straighten the front leg or not. The leg is either straight or bent, not in between. Hands to a T or not. Breathe. This is revolved triangle. If the next pose, revolved side angle, if it gets to be too much, come back to this pose. One more inhale. Exhale, let's unwind. Both hands to the ground and switch your position. Now again, I'll come over here so I'm facing you. We're in a low runner's lunge. And we're working on revolved side angle. Wherever you're stuck is where you stay. So just keep working, gradually adapting to whatever the pose is throwing at you. Back off when you need to. So first we have low runner's lunge with a prayer twist. Left hand pushes the left thigh across the body. Right hand comes up, drives the elbow outside of the left knee and hooks here. Not kind of, not sort of, not vibrating and struggling to make it happen. It's hooked. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, breathe. If this is too much, go back to revolved triangle. Hands to heart center, thumbnails on your chest, not thumbnails on your shoulder or thumbnails floating into space, glued to your breastbone. Low runner's lunge, prayer twist. Tuck your toes under. Keep your hips low as you extend the rear leg. High runner's lunge with a twist. Stay here or drop the bottom hand to the ground. Top into a T. Breathe. If you like, turn your hand toward the front leg. Bring your arm down towards your ear. Revolved, extended arm, side angle pose. Gently unwind. Switch your stance. I'll go to the other side so I can turn and face you. Choose whatever modification is working for you. Low runner's lunge. Low runner's lunge prayer twist. Inhale. Big exhale. Low runner's lunge prayer twist. Tuck your toes under. Keep your hips low. Straighten the rear leg. High runner's lunge with a prayer twist. Stay here, drop the bottom arm. Bring up the top arm. Breathe. Turn the palm toward the front foot. Hand by your ear, I should say. Arm by your ear. For extended arm, twisted side angle. Then breathe for 3, 2, 1. Slowly unwind. Step by step.